Maritimes, where the rivers flow, where the forests whisper and the cool winds blow. From the Bay of Fundy tides to the Acadian shores, New Brunswick days I'm longing for more. Oh, New Brunswick days, where the world stands still in the quiet towns and rolling hills, with the laughter of friends and the ocean song. New Brunswick days, where I belong. From Fredericton's charm to St. John's light, every moment here feels just right. In the fields so